my gosh. We're already at a Mountain Dew. It's like a guessing game. I'm gonna ask them if they had a cart. Could we borrow it? I'm so sorry. I would have brought mine. I totally forgot to. Thank you.
Nice.
Heating that up and then just putting the chocolate in there so it can just like maybe just put it on warm or something. We're like supplying all the utensils, we set it all up for them, we take it all down, and we'll restock it and everything for them. They're doing cupcakes and they're doing brownie bars and the chocolate dipped strawberries. Most times they actually have only like one cupcake and then like 4 other things. They're also doing a soda bar. They're doing everything.
Are you in charge of the soda too?
Well, like 2 weeks ago, we did a soda bar, the same thing. And the soda bar was actually more popular.
Really?
Like people were like, oh my gosh, so many flavors. I was like, we just brought our little oven and we're just melting chocolate for that.
You brought your own?
Like little oven because they don't have a microwave. So we called them to see if they had a microwave. They didn't. So I was like, oh, I guess we'll have to bring an oven. So we're not baking anything, we're just melting chocolate.
I wouldn't have even thought to ask about a microwave. Like, you would assume?
It's because we've done it so many times and they haven't had a microwave or they haven't had a fridge or they have another caterer and we have to share a fridge and that's a nightmare.
So did you guys do the cake too? Did you make it? Can you show me? Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, I wish I could go back and redo everything I did. Pinterest wasn't around, like...
Oh my gosh, like my parents are like so offended and I was like, it's the truth though.
Yeah, it is the truth.
There's like a sign that says if you got married before Pinterest, you deserve a new wedding.
Exactly.
I'm like, it's not trying to get anything you guys did, I just hate it because it's in a church. I don't like where we got married.
And you guys have done so many weddings, you probably know exactly what you want now.
Oh my gosh, exactly.
You're a genius.
I know.
Is it usually just the two of you that do this?
Unfortunately. No,
You can do it by yourself. Anytime you want.
she loves it. That's a lie. I love it. Do you love it?
I don't mind it.
I like it. So when you do it with a normal knife, the brownie comes off, and so then you have to scrape it off. Well, the plastic knife, it doesn't. So we actually at our shop, we use like those IKEA kids knives or whatever, and because it just always just comes out smooth, even if you do it right fresh out of the oven. And with metal, it sticks to it. Well, these are too big. Because look,
You have me
I
use
know.
this square.
I know. These are too big. We need to use these.
Well, now that they're not big. you can
Come
use
on,
that.
you were probably gonna eat those.
I was, actually.
They're doing stuff on the tables, the desserts, and then the soda bar on the actual bar.
Oh, perfect. Okay.
That's how, at least that's what their plan is.
Okay.
Did you just put baskets underneath?
Just whatever I'm not using, I put underneath, so it's like jars, different kinds.
Whatever you have around.
Sure wish they had a microwave.
Is Is it the worst?
Yes.
Well, what time are you doing the cake? Because is it 6? Yeah, it's 6.
I should do it immediately.
I mean, whatever.
I thought you were doing it.
Really?
I don't know.
No, you do it. Unless you're gonna set up the display.
No, it's okay.
How many weddings do you do in a month or a year? How often?
No, it's summer's the craziest. Maybe twice a month, maybe 3 times a month. Lately, we've been doing 1 or 2 like every weekend.
Yeah, those shot glasses and
Marissa,
the brownie.
only do, like, don't spill it all to it. See how the soda bar is like, everyone like just crowds it? It's insane. I'm like, yeah, see the fresh baked goods? And I was like, oh my gosh, we're already at a Mountain Dew. It's like it's like a guessing game. We never know, like, in the last one, the chocolate chip cookies were the most popular thing. The chocolate chip cookies are never the most popular thing. It's like always the cupcakes, and the cupcakes were actually the least popular. So they had a ton of cupcakes left, but all the chocolate chip cookies were gone, and I was like, oh, okay, that was not, so it's kind of a guessing game. We plan for 150, but we obviously don't do 150 of everything, so we kind of estimate, like, so if they have a certain cupcake that's popular at the shop, we'll do like maybe 200 of those. But like key lime trifles aren't that popular, but people like them, so we'll only do like 75 of those. But every wedding is different. We always guess wrong.